Welcome back. We are going to look at the pricing alternatives. We're going to do that by clicking on this link that says pricing. And as of the recording of this video, you're going to determine which level at which you want to start. It's possible that you just may want to start with the free plan. However, the trial that you're going to be on can be determined by where you start. Now, when you look at paid plans, you're going to want to be aware that it is tiered based on your activity. So for example, if we were to move this particular plan up to a specific number of tasks, you'll see that the cost will be higher. And the same will be true for any specific plan that you are going to be using. You're also going to see that there are going to be a specific number of premium applications that you can use under specific plans. And premium applications are going to be those that are indicated in the Zapier system and that can only be used with this designation. For example, the GoToWebinar integration you'll see is designated as being a premium application. So if your trial ends and you choose an actual plan, you'll need to be aware of what the plan does and how you're going to be using Zapier over time. Now, it's important to note that this is the plan as of the recording of this video. These plans do change, the designations do change, and the pricing does change. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.